Hi guys! Today I'm going to be doing an updated version of one of my previous videos that I made like a few years ago. I still get lots of comments on that video, just questions and stuff, so I wanted to make an updated version because I did find an easier way to do it. So what I'm going to be showing you guys is how to make a remix on your iPhone. All of the apps are free. I only know how to do it on iPhones because I have an iPhone, so like that. I also get lots of emails asking if I can make personal remixes for you guys, and I can, like, there's no reason why I can't, but it is a service, so you know, services come with prices. Obviously I'm not going to charge you a lot because, like, hello, I'm not a professional, but you know, it will take my time, so you know, but this is free, so you can use this tutorial so that you can do it yourself, so that you don't have to pay anything to anyone. So for the tutorial I did have to use copyright free music. Sorry about it, but I do not want to get striked. But you can use any music that you want, so don't feel like that has anything to do with it. If you want to watch the tutorial, just keep watching. So on YouTube, what you want to do is search for the songs that you want to put in your remix. So search for the first one and then try to pick the video with the best audio quality so that, you know, it sounds the best. And then watch the whole video and pick out the exact sections that you want to put in your remix and write down the number, like the minute and the second that it starts and finishes on a piece of paper. And then you're going to screen record. So if you don't know how to screen record, it's really easy. You can look it up on Google. I'm pretty sure you can do it on any iPhone as long as your iOS is updated. So you want to pause it where the section you want begins and then start screen recording and then press play. Let it play for the whole part that you want and then hit pause and stop screen recording. And then you're going to do this for every song that you want on your remix. Next, you want to go onto iMovie and you're going to click create project, then movie, and you're just going to load all of the little screen recordings that you just did onto it and just listen to every single one to make sure that it's correct how you want it, like the correct section. If not, you can use the little tools to clip it, and make sure all your transitions are at none so that you can hear them correctly. The first way you can transition each song into each other is just by changing the transitions to dissolve once you know that the sections are correct. If not, the second option is to add a sound effect. To do that, you want to add a picture in between each song and change the transitions to none. It doesn't matter what picture, really doesn't matter. And then you're gonna go into audio, sound effects, and the one I like to use is called tape rewind, but if you find another one that you like, you can use that as well. And to make it sound better, what I like to do is just fade them so you can see how I'm doing that. And then for the picture, you want to make sure it's at 2.7 seconds, so just drag it until the top little number that you see right there says 2.7. And then the easiest way to do the other ones is just to click your sound effect and click duplicate and make sure all of your pictures are at 2.7. So once you know that it is exactly how you want it and everything is good and sounds good, you just want to click done and then click the middle button on the bottom and save it however you want. But I just like to save it into my camera roll. And I recommend to go with 4K, but you can choose which one you want. And then it will take a little bit to export if it's long, but just wait and don't exit the app. And then it should be in your camera roll. And then to play it at your 15s, you can either transfer it to a computer or you can put it onto a USB. You can email it to yourself, Google Drive, upload it to YouTube on private, you know, whatever works best for you. But that is it for the tutorial. So hopefully that was helpful to someone, anyone. But like I said, if you do want me to make it for you, I will leave my email down below. But if not, that's it for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys later.